wilting after the wind last night.
Oh, it seems the wind was quite strong. Let's fix it together, Milkman.
It moved 5 centimeters to the left, Mom. You are a great helper. Let's pull it back slowly. It looks so much stronger now, right? Yes, and it stands proud again, thanks to our hands. They will look even better when they bloom tomorrow.
Patience is the secret ingredient for a lovely garden, dear.
Bop is hungry too. Look how fast he runs.
Yes, hard work always makes our bellies grumble. Let's cook something good.
I will pick the brightest green carrots for the soup. That sounds perfect. Those carrots are very sweet. Is this size good enough for the soup, Mom?
Yes, those small cubes will cook perfectly and taste delicious.
It smells so good already.
Good things take time. Just wait a little longer.
Dining outside feels so fresh today.
Yes, the garden looks lovely and quiet for our evening meal. Mom, is repairing the small fence really protecting our home? Yes, because every small care adds to the love of our home.
Mom, I made some tea for our garden break.
That is so thoughtful of you. Let's take it to the porch.
The flowers we planted look so happy today.
They feel our love and the care we gave them yesterday.
Bop is having such a fun morning dance.
He loves the garden just as much as we do, my dear.
Can you read the next chapter to me, Mom?
Of course. Let's find out what the forest spirits do today.
I love our peaceful home so much.
It is peaceful because we care for it together, every day. together quickly.
Everything is back in its place now.
Yes, a clean kitchen is a happy kitchen for us. The sun is setting. Let's rest now. I agree. It was a busy but lovely day indeed.
I feel so peaceful sitting here with you.
The best rest is being with those we love most.
Good night, Mom. Good night, Bop.
Good night, my dear. Sleep well tonight.
Good morning. Another beautiful day is here.
Good morning, little sunshine. Let's start with a fresh breakfast.
The water is singing, Mom.
Yes, the kettle loves the morning heat just as we do. This toast is extra crunchy and sweet today. The homemade berry jam always makes everything better, doesn't it?
I am ready for another adventure today.
Then let's go check on our flowers again, my adventurer. The garden is so bright in the morning sun.
It is indeed
The perfect start for our gardening day.
Pup is waiting for his treat too.
We should give him a small piece. He worked hard too. See how happy he is now. Small joys really make the biggest difference in our evenings.
Tomorrow will be even better, right? Every tomorrow is a gift. Let's sleep well.